Good morning, students. How are you? Are you fine? Thank you. Today I am going to teach you the next tense, future continuous tense. Yesterday I taught you the future indefinite tense. What is the future indefinite tense? We use the helping verb in future indefinite tense, will and shall, and we use the main verb first form in future indefinite tense. For example, I shall go to Alwar, I shall play, we shall play, we shall decorate this room, and many types of the examples we can frame as per future indefinite tense. Today I am telling you the future continuous tense. You know very well the structure, subject, general structure, subject plus helping verb, main verb, object, and etc. You know very well what we change. Helping verb we use in future in continuous tense will be, and shall be, and main verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. तो देर आर द टू चेंजेस इन फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल बी, शैल बी, एंड मेन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. नाउ वी टेक ए एग्जाम्पल. I shall be taking tea with my mother. I shall be taking tea with my mother. This is the subject, we know very well. This is the helping verb. This is the main verb की first form plus ing. This is the object, and this is the etc. So this is the sentence of future continuous tense. I shall be taking, we shall be playing, they will be writing. Then many examples we can frame and make. It is the example of future continuous tense. Now we make the negative sentence. Negative sentence, I shall not be. देखिए, remember this, not, I shall be not, no, I shall not be, I shall not be. This type we change the helping verb in negative sentence. Taking tea with my mother. Now we make the interrogative. Shall I be? Shall I be? पहले shall लेंगे, फिर subject लेंगे, फिर be लेंगे. Shall I be taking tea with my mother? Interrogative marks. Then no, don't both बनाएंगे, both. Shall I not be? Shall I not be? Shall I not be taking tea with my mother? Now we make the WH. WH sentence के लिए we use the any WH we can use. Why, where, and etc. Why shall I be taking tea with my mother? So there are the 5 types of the sentence as per future continuous tense. This is the affirmative sentence, I shall be taking tea. with my mother. This is negative, I shall not be taking tea with my mother. This is the interrogative, shall I be taking tea with my mother? Shall I not be taking tea with my mother? Why shall I be taking tea with my mother? So as per sentences, affirmative, negative, we can the frame as per this structure. This is the general structure. Any tense we can, in any tense we can frame a sentence as per this structure, but only we have to change two changes. What changes? One, helping verb change, then main verb change. So this is the future continuous tense I taught you. There are the many examples of the future continuous tense. Here use the my mother. My mother. Then I will tell you after pronoun table, then I will tell you, but today I am only indicate my mother. My, this is the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. My table, my car, my watch, my mobile, my classroom. Possessive pronoun, that is the my. जब हम my को यूज़ करते हैं तो इसके साथ कोई न कोई नाउन कनेक्ट होता है. My table, my classroom, my bag, my bike, my car, our books, our also possessive as per subject. I का possessive my, we का possessive our, you का possessive your, and he का possessive his table, and she का possessive her, and it का possessive it, and they का possessive their, their, there. So there are the possessive pronoun my, and mine also possessive pronoun, but mine के साथ हम noun यूज नहीं करते हैं. For example, it is mine, it is mine, it is mine, it is mine. So there are the example of the mine. Mine we can use without noun, but my we use with noun. Only one difference is my and mine. Both are the possessive pronoun, but only difference is my use with noun and mine we can use without noun. For example, this is my mother. और अगर हम mine को यूज़ करेंगे तो हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं she is mine, वो मेरी है. मतलब अब mine मतलब मेरी, mine मतलब मेरी. ओके, थैंक यू भैया बहनों. आज हमारा फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस वी हैव द कंप्लीटेड. टुमारो आई विल टीच यू द नेक्स्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. व्हाट टेंस आई विल टीच यू टुमारो? फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. थैंक यू. नाउ द होमवर्क, यू रिमेंबर होमवर्क, वही होमवर्क है 10 sentences of future continuous tense. Remember, I will check the notebook when the school open, otherwise I will give the information by the WhatsApp. You submit your notebook in the school and then it will be checked. तो ये ध्यान रखना कि नोटबुक में जो भी होमवर्क दिया जा रहा है उसको आपको यू हैव टू कंप्लीट, आपको कंप्लीट करना है, जिससे कि आपका प्रैक्टिस भी होगा. कहते हैं प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट. तो अगर भैया बहनों आपको टेंस यदि कल क्लियर हो गया, टेंस आपके दिमाग में बैठ गया, तो आप एनी सेंटेंस यू कैन द फ्रेम, यू कैन मेक एंड यू कैन स्पीक, यू कैन टॉक टुगेदर एंड अदर if you have the knowledge of the tense. Thank you so much.